welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm fine, as you guys can see. So today's video is about this hair tutorial that I have on now. It's very simple. Like I said earlier, this January is for very simple hairstyles that all my subscribers with natural hair can be able to do, because I realized some of my hairstyles are a little bit complicated for those who don't know how to style themselves. So I thought it wise to do very simple hairstyles for you guys this January. So here is the look of the hair, and this is the back. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this beautiful hairstyle, then stay tuned to the end of the tutorial. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, my name is Delphine. Welcome. I do natural hair videos, and you are welcome to subscribe to my channel if you find my videos interesting, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So let's get into the tutorial for today. So I'm going to begin. I'll be using my Afro Kinky Cherish bulk. It comes like this in a pack, and I have 2 of these rollers, and I'm going to simply fold it through. I don't know. So now I have something like this. So now I'll go ahead. I divided my hair into 2, parted it this side and this other side and here. So I'm going to turn and do the behind part like so. So now I'm going to get one of these and put a band in the middle and just put it over this one. Then I have something like this. So this is how the back is going to look like. To remove the pins I used to secure the hair to lay flat first here. They were about 3. I can't see the other one. So right now what I'm going to do is just secure the hair the way I want. So here is the final look of the hair, the front, the side, the other side, and the back. And I love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.